To download Instagram on a Mac, you first need to understand that Instagram is primarily a mobile application, but you can access it on your Mac through various methods. The easiest way to use Instagram on a Mac is through the web version. First, open a web browser on your Mac, such as Safari, Google Chrome, or Firefox. Type in the address bar instagram.com and press enter. This will take you to the Instagram website. If you want to use the full features of Instagram, including uploading photos and stories, you will need to use the mobile app. However, since Instagram does not have a dedicated Mac app, you will need to use an emulator or third-party software to download and install the mobile app on your Mac. One popular option is to use an Android emulator like BlueStacks. To do this, go to the BlueStacks website and download the installer. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompts to install BlueStacks on your Mac. After installation, launch BlueStacks and sign in with your Google account. Then, go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and click Install. Once installed, you can launch Instagram and sign in with your account. Another option is to use a third-party software like IGDM, which is a wrapper for the Instagram web app. You can download and install IGDM from the developer's website. Once installed, you can launch IGDM and sign in with your Instagram account. Regardless of the method you choose, make sure to only download software from trusted sources to avoid any potential security risks. Also, be aware that using Instagram on a Mac may not be as seamless as using it on a mobile device, and some features may not work as expected. In conclusion, while there is no dedicated Instagram app for Mac, you can access Instagram on your Mac through the web version or by using an emulator or third-party software. By following these steps, you can easily download and install Instagram on your Mac and start using it right away.